Nababa Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and we are featuring Brew Hub for the second time.
Yes, this is the better place and mas maganda.
We've seen it inside earlier, sobrang lawak nga niya. Anyway, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Coming inside, sabi ko sa inyo guys, look. Diba? Alright. So ayun guys, inside dito sa Brew Hub, The Orchard. Quick tour. So meron tayong like 25 to 30 seats. Ang gusto ko dito, unang-una kong napansin guys, is yung kanilang mga mirrors. What do we have, bro?
So meron tayo ditong mga fraps, mga milk teas, cold drinks, syempre mga konting mga kainan dito.
For a milk tea, it's as low as 120 pesos. For coffee naman or frap, it's as low as 150 pesos. For coffee, 95 pesos, as low as 95. Ayun nga guys, ang ating intermission number before natin kainin yung mga sinerve nila sa atin. So again, thank you so much Brew Hub.
Yes.
Congratulations Brew Hub.
For their new home dito sa may Telabastagan.
Exactly. Okay, so Mark, bago natin tikman yung mga pin-prepare nila sa atin, siguro pakilala muna natin ano yung mga na-order natin.
Yes, tayo ditong yung karalang coffee caramel, yung Java chips, ice caramel macchiato,
My favorite.
and strawberry Oreo, and hibiscus tea.
Hibiscus, ikaw naman yung favorite mo.
Ako, gusto ko yan. Siyempre naman sa mga snacks, meron tayo kanilang nachos and yung clubhouse.
Alright, let's get it on. Alright, so ayun nga guys, and sakong-sakto, it's a very very hot afternoon. And I'm gonna go first with this clubhouse sandwich, diba?
Ano naman siya yung nachos nila.
Speaking of cheese, oh,
Wow.
grabe. Wow. Ayan, so caramel macchiato naman guys.
Ako una kong titikman yung kanilang coffee caramel.
Wow!
Kasi,
For the first time.
kasi ang ganda niyang tingnan. Kaya susubukan to.
Okay. Now, aside from the affordable refreshments and meal natin, what I like about dito sa second branch nila is the location.
Yes.
This is located dito sa The Orchard, Telabastagan. Parking lot pa lang. Di mo na problema. And at the same time, pwede mong isama dito yung family mo. Like they can roam around, play. Sarap mag-chill dito. No?
Lalong-lalo na, maganda yung pinaka-place. Kasi parang garden type,
Correct.
pwede maglaro yung mga bata.
Correct.
And at the same time, dito sa Brew Hub, napaka-chill nung.
Welcome to Brew Hub. Visit us here at Orchard Community Place here at Telabastagan, San Fernando, Pampanga. We are open 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Brew Hub offers freshly brewed coffees, much-awaited fraps, best-selling milk teas, and delicious snacks. See you here!
So, another satisfied tummy and a refreshing experience dito po sa Brew Hub Telabastagan. Again, congratulations po sa inyo.
So this is another place for you to chill and pwede niyong puntahan.
And I think for those of you who are looking for a place to, some business deals, sign some contracts, mga ganyan, ang ganda po ng lugar na to. You're gonna be satisfied. And yeah, if you like the food you saw in this video or you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.